Alright, now one more thing I want to talk about before we go are the SU3 structure constants. When we're dealing with SU3 and SU3, we'll often come across terms involving the commutator of TA and TB. In other words, the commutator of two SU3 generators, which by definition is TA times TB minus TB times TA. And it tells us something about the structure of the way in which the group doesn't commute. Now the first thing we should recognize is that if TA and TB are generators of SU3, then they're both Hermitian matrices in the physics convention. And so the commutator of TA and TB is anti-Hermitian. And you can prove that like so. First, take the transpose conjugate of the commutator of TA and TB. When you apply the transpose conjugate to the product of TA-TB as well as TB-TA, in both cases you switch the order of the matrices. And this is because AB dagger equals B dagger A dagger. So you switch the order